Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today we're going to be making this Swedish purse. I'm told that in Leksand, Dalarna, Sweden, it's called a pocket purse or a pocket. This free pattern is found at shelleywood.com. Use the pattern to cut out the pieces that you see here. Embroider blue hearts on the black felt. Add a red heart, I'm using the satin stitch, and one more red heart. These are yellow fly stitches. Now if you're not comfortable with embroidery, you might give it a try. I'm going to be posting some of my embroidery videos to help you. White satin stitches frame the hearts. Spaced fly stitches curve around the center. Here's how it looks underneath. It's kind of interesting to see the back. Blue fly stitches add to the outer frame, and yellow dots draw the colors together. Place the red fabric over the black U-shaped one. Stitch them together along the inner U shape. Clip where you've stitched. Invert so it looks like this. Place the two black pieces of felt on top of each other with right sides together, like you see me doing here. I think my niece was filming this. Sew around the outside and invert it. And we were at summer camp. Stitch bias tape or a fabric strip across the top. This will act as a belt around your doll's waist. Fold the fabric in on itself and stitch it shut. So it's like you're making bias tape. Close fabric over the felt purse's top and stitch across the pocket purse's top. So I'm attaching that sort of bias tape, that homemade bias tape across the top of the pocket purse. Continue stitching to the end of the belt. Wrap around the doll's waist and tie it off. For more free sewing patterns and doll clothes tutorials, please visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.